Setting up a Google Meet to use with your team is as easy as setting up a calendar appointment. You simply open up your Google Calendar and find the time that you want your team to meet. So let's say Friday at 9 a.m. I can give my appointment a title. I'll call it PLC meeting. And then I can click under Options. Here there's an Add Conferencing option, and I can choose Hangout Meet. Now it's set up with a Google Hangout link for everybody to use. Now I can simply create this and share this link out in an email or a separate text message, but I can just include guests right here in my calendar invite, and they will automatically get an email inviting them, including the link they need to join the meet. So I'll add Miss Carter and a couple others. And when I'm done, I simply click Save. It will ask me if I want invite emails to go out to my guests, and I'll say Send, and that's it. Now my meeting is set up, and all my staff will have to do is click on the calendar invite, and they'll be able to join the meeting directly from the link.